Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a trademark with USPTO, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by conducting thorough research on trademarks. Understand what a trademark is and why it is important for your brand. Identify the goods or services you wish to trademark. Decide on a unique name, logo, or slogan that represents your brand. Check the United States Patent and Trademark Office, or USPTO, database for existing trademarks. Ensure that your chosen trademark is not already in use by another entity. Assess whether your trademark is distinctive enough to qualify for registration. Prepare your trademark application by gathering necessary information about your business. Determine the correct classification for your goods or services under the International Trademark Classification System. Complete the application form available on the USPTO website. Include a clear description of your trademark and how it will be used in commerce. Attach a specimen of your trademark as used in the market, such as product labels or advertising materials. Pay the required filing fee based on the application type you select. Submit your application through the USPTO's online filing system, known as TEAS. After submission, monitor the status of your application through the USPTO's Trademark Status and Document Retrieval System. Respond promptly to any correspondence or inquiries from the USPTO regarding your application. Be prepared for potential opposition from other parties once your trademark is published in the official gazette. If your trademark is opposed, consider consulting a trademark attorney for guidance. Once approved, you will receive a registration certificate for your trademark. Maintain your trademark by using it consistently in commerce and filing required maintenance documents on time. Stay informed about the need to renew your trademark registration every 10 years to keep your protection active. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.